Howdy folks, had a bit of a mishap last night when I was preparing for the SEASIDE Shenanigans tour. Went for a ride to Limerick Bites, and on the way back I got a puncture. I'd not took any gear with me, so I'll be changing the tyre now. I also only had 1% left on my phone, but I managed to get through to Billy Mac, and he came across the beehive at Norwich and brought me back. So I'm ready to swap over the inner tube. Viva! So here's the bike. The tyre looking a bit worse for wear. I'm going to get this off in a minute. So I've got a 10 and a 12 for the chain adjustment, then a 19 and a 14 for the back wheel, and then I've got my tyre levers. So by magic, the wheel is off. I've kept these parts here on the right hand side and the left hand side. Oh, here's the wheel. This bit's a bit laborious. It feels like it's spinning really easily with the spanner. Well, it is this time. So you take your hands off the spanner and try to spin it with your fingers, and you don't want to move. What we get in there? Then a recess on your toolbox so you don't lose it. So these tyres are on quite tight. Can't believe how much trouble it was to get that off. But Tyres off. There's the wheel. Let's see on here. Little hole. Fever. So I managed to get the tyre on the hardest part. The hardest part was getting the inner tube in. So I've tried to come in from this side so that I've got a flat edge for the inner tube on the other side. I'm trying to get that in there. From there, no gap at all, but got that bit done. Just going to see if I can get this in there without nipping the inner tube. So I'm sweating like a bastard. But what do this at Sardett Road? But I've got it on. Get it on the bike now. See if it works. So I've got the tyre on, the wheel back on, and I'm going to do the chain adjustments tomorrow. But here it is. Pop some air in that tyre. Shabba. So they don't call me 3-hole monkey dicks for nothing. So when I was putting the tyre back on, I've nipped it in 3 different places. You can feel the air, well, it's all over there, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I've done a good job of that. Is there anywhere I've not nipped it? It's like a frigging cut, isn't it?
Oh, there's a miss here.
So just put the wheel back on, and then it adjusted the chain. Now I'm just going to take all this off here, get down to my battery, put a new battery on for the trip, and then hold the chain. This spine wrap's been a cracking piece of kit. one down. See, I've actually put one of the camera mounts on there, so I can flick it out and do a reverse shot. There's the spacers and the centre spacer. That's the spine rack, 3 bolts. We got it here. There we go. Right. See if we can find the right fitting. It's one of these over here. That's the one. Okay. Here's my replacement. The next side, it cost me £25.
Just use it to induce this into the right position. There you go. Perfect. Perfect again. I use the original screws. These seem to be a little bit wider. Wide of the mark. Perfect.
Howdy folks, just had a ride to Honda at Blackpool to meet the team and to take some photographs of the bike Shabba.